Let me show you how we can animate this block of text so our bullet points will show one by one after we click instead of just pop up all at once. So select the text frame with your bullet points. If you want to turn a regular text into bullet point text, you must select the text and search for the bullet point option. After that, click Animate. We want them to appear on click, and for appear we can actually adjust the way they will appear. I want them to fly from the right side. What is the trigger? In our case, we keep it on click because I want to control click, click, click. And this is the important part. By paragraph, you must turn it on so it's appear only one bullet point at the time. Finally, the speed. And now we can just test this animation by clicking play button. Nothing happened. They're waiting for my click. Click one time, only one bullet point. Click again, click, and click. Perfect. So that's how you can animate your bullet points so they appear one by one when you click. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.